How to delete WhatsApp messages after a very long time. To do that, you can follow these steps. So first of all, what you should do is go on the settings of your device. After you go on the settings on your device, on the search bar, you can simply search for date and time. You can also find it in your additional settings. And after tapping on this, you will see the option of automatically set date and time. And when you disable this, now you will get the option of set time on your own. Now what you can do is set your own time. So I set it a time. I forward my date and time little bit days ahead, and I set it for April 15. You can also see on my upper bar, my date has been shifted towards April 15 Monday. And after you do that, you can simply go back. And then you can simply go on your WhatsApp and delete any of the messages that you want to. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you.